Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So these are the nails that I created for you this week. So I will show you which products I used. Okay, so these are the products that I used in today's video. To start off with, I used this acrylic powder. It's from Missubeauty. It's been designed by Helen Zeng and it is called Robo Barbie, which is absolutely gorgeous. Then I have this acrylic powder from Tracy and it's called Little Batcher, and it's purple there and it's got a little bit of sparkle in it. Then I have this glitter that I got from Posh Nails. It's a company that I trained with, I did an extra course with just recently, and that's the glitter there. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a lovely purple. Then I had this glitter, and this was given to me in some gift mail, and that's the pink glitter that I used there. That's already been mixed with some clear powder, so that's all ready to go. These are the gems that I used to finish off. These were from Beauty Big Bang. They are AB rhinestones and they like gold with a little bit of pink in there. They're beautiful. So to encapsulate these nails, I used a Missubeauty's clear acrylic liquid and powder, which I do have the discount code for, so I will leave the link to the products that I used in this video in the description box for you to check them out. So also, just to let you know, the tips that I used today are my favourites. They are from Pro Impressions. They are the Advanced Natural Smile tips. You get a box of 500, or you can get infills or refills, sorry, for the box that you already have. The brush that I used today is my Crystal Nails A8 brush. So I will show you how I completed this look. So as you can see, I have already applied the tips. They don't need any blending, which is amazing, and I have already prepped my nails using my Missubeauty primer, and I have pushed back my cuticles. So I just start off here with Robo Barbie. I just start it off at the cuticle area. Please excuse that little tiny piece of glitter there, or a little hexagon that I have there. I do remove it. It got stuck in with my acrylic powder, which was very annoying. I did manage to get rid of it in the end though. Here we go. So I start off with Robo Barbie at the cuticle and I blend that down to the bottom or the tip of my nail, and then at the tip of the nail I go in with my purple glitter from Posh Nails and just extend that all the way up. Then on my middle finger I start out at the cuticle with Little Batcher from Tracy, and I blend that down to the tip of the nail, and then from the tip of the nail I go in with my other pink glitter and just blend that up so that it's like an ombre effect. I go in with my glitter that I got from Posh Nails. I've mixed it with some clear powder and I blend that down the nail, and what I do is I just actually leave the tip of the nail natural. I quite liked the look of it. Yeah, so I just kind of really like the effect, so I left it just like this because I liked it. And then on my little finger I started out with Robo Barbie. The idea was I was just going to apply Robo Barbie to the entire nail, which I did, but then I thought it looked a bit plain, so I went in with my glitter Little Batcher that I got from Tracy, the purple glitter, and I just applied that from the cuticle area and blended it down the nail. And on my thumb, I just applied Little Batcher to the entire nail. So now I'm just going in with my clear acrylic liquid and powder from Missubeauty, and I'm encapsulating those nails. With my nail glue, this is where I just apply my AB rhinestones from Beauty Big Bang. I just apply them just randomly to my nails, to my forefinger, my middle finger and my little finger. I did put a little bit of excess glue there by accident, but I did get it off, so no need to panic. now I just apply my top coat, my UV gel top coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply some cuticle oil to my nails. So I really hope you enjoyed watching my video today, guys. Thank you so much. If you did enjoy it, please give me a massive thumbs up. As always, I really appreciate all of your support. You are all so loyal to me and I really do appreciate it. So yeah, if you have any requests, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I will leave links to all the products that I used today. If you have any questions about the products, let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what I did today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.